In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shutdown icon in Windows 10. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Okay, first, right-click anywhere on the screen. And select New, then Shortcut. Here it will ask you to navigate and select the app for which you want to create a shortcut for. Just paste this text in the box. You copy it from the description below. Now click on Next. Here it will ask you to rename the shortcut button and rename it as per your need. Finally click on Finish. There you have it, your shortcut button to easily shut down your computer. Just double-click twice on this shortcut and your system will be shut down. That's it guys, this is how you can create a shutdown icon in Windows 10. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.